about to go to USC and hang out with boys.
Yeah. The doors just open, it's 10 o'clock, and the line for EU is absolutely insane. It wraps all the way around the whole block of booths. We're releasing the Bear Brick in an hour, and the line is already wrapped around, so I don't know what it's gonna be like, but I'm guessing it'll sell out pretty quick. This shit is crazy. There's a lot of people here, and I think it's only gonna get crazier, so. The security is kind of stopping everybody from going into the booth because everybody kind of rushed to it. So they've kind of organized it. We had to open in an hour and a half for the release of the Bear Brick. We can't sell anything else before that or let people in because it's going to be a little bit too hectic. So we're going to open about an hour and a half, let everybody get what they want and get to the booth.
So what are you?
It's hot.
What happened?
It's hot. They asked
Are
me
you
to
a
sign.
famous American?
Just had me to ask to sign their Bear
Are you a
Bricks.
famous American?
I'm just a famous American. Really dope to me is they have this basketball court, but these kids are actually like playing. They're taking the time. They're not like, oh, I gotta buy the shoes and get out of here. Like they're playing serious 3-on-3 with each other. These kids over here that are like warming up to play next. Like they actually are just here to play basketball because they like basketball. They're not just about getting the shoes and getting to the next booth. Like these kids came to fucking ball, so I think that's kind of cool. So this is the Nacional booth. This is just a concept that I had. I wanted to do something that wasn't necessarily square like all the other booths, and I wanted to have something that the consumer could walk into, kind of have a different experience or get away from the rest of the show. So I created this tube, sent the concept to them. They just responded with a rendering that was pretty much spot on to what my concept was. So it kind of worked out that way. The product that we have is a burgundy polka dot sweat. We have a crew, and then we have off-white logo tee with crack print. These are all done. All the polka dots are done by hand, washed, distressed. All that's done by hand as well. So Nacional is just a project basically for me that allows me to experiment with different processes that I've learned over the years and create new product based on experimentation, different concepts that I come up with. There's really no rules in it for me, so I can kind of create whatever I want and express myself through this brand without any limitations.
So happy. I was just so happy, bro. You can't even mask the fact that you're so happy. It's okay. It's good. Like you got Nacional, you got the lines, you got the shoes.
Got my boy.
You should just change it to Matt Senna instead of Innersect, bro. The Senna convention.
This is the 3125C Galleria booth. This is the third booth that I have things going on in, and this is where I have my art. We created some special pieces just for this, for Innersect. They came to my studio a few months back. We were talking about possibly putting some art in here, so I wanted to create something new. Using some of the molds that I've already had existing, I wanted to create something that kind of told a new story, so I created this Jordan 1. It's called Fade Away. The whole concept is that it just kind of fades into the table. straight from Tokyo, Japan. And our friend Natalie has her little coffee shop set up here. She makes some of the best coffee in all of the world. Natalie is also one of the nicest people in all of the world, and one of my favorites. She's here brewing up some good shit for everybody. When they get tired, get a little coffee, pick it up. It's a long day, gotta keep going on. Thank you for everything. Innersect 2018, December 9th. Tomorrow's my birthday, and I gotta get home.